Hi all, today we'll talk about how to generate invoice templates through expensesreceipt.com, and after logged in you can select create receipts and you can select invoices from the menu. As of now we have two templates. The first one is the company generated invoices where you can buy wholesale items with the unit prices. Likewise, this second one, this is mainly for the IT companies where they can use it, or IT companies or any hourly billing resources. We can use the this particular invoice. This is for the business to business invoice generation. So if I select the first one, you can see by default the copy paste will be enabled only for the logged in users, and that to download these images you have to select in the preview button. Once if you are in preview, then only you can able to see the image or PDF download will be enabled. The moment you are into edit, it will be disabled. So we have to ensure we review before downloading. We have to review it in the preview section and then select it. That's the main reason we have added this functionality. And reset is it keeps the default settings, so that's how we build for. You can choose the font types and you can choose uh, the font selectors, and for that you can choose the font sizes. You can see that the size is changing, and the same way you can keep it invoice header. You can change it to even bigger more. You can change it or you can reduce it. And every section we have a subsection here, like from billing and ship head and a table header information, so which I can change it. For example, this one, if I want to keep it low, I can do, or I can increase it to as big as this. So I want to keep it back to the original size. And you can load an image, and you can see the image size. You can either increase the image size by dragging this one, or you can reduce the size. So this is one of the benefit, and you can change the position of the image. You can move towards the like right hand or left hand. You can use this to swap this invoice and the logo position. You can see this. So you can, by clicking this one, it swaps the invoice and the logo position, and again the logo position can be changed. If I keep it here, you can still move towards center or towards right hand side. And in the edit screen you can enter from address, to address, and shipping details, and you can show. If you remove this one, it disappears, the show shipping details. If you don't want, you can use that. And if the shipping address also same, then you can select this one so that it automatically fills those values. For example, if I'm using from billing, and if you see here, if you show shipping address, and if you select same shipping address, then whatever you entered in this billing, it's the same here too. And once you enter the item information here, the product, what's the price and quantity, and then the sales information here, and you can change the terms and conditions, like default we have added here, and you can change what's the company name, stuff like that. Once you change it, you can see here, and whatever you see, you get it. And don't forget to save by clicking the copy button. You can you reuse the save template later point of time. And I'm going to select the existing one, and you can see whatever I have added here, I can see. And another feature which I want to talk about is colors. You can select invoice header and you can change the background of that color. So I have changed what is my background and what is my front color. I have did that. And the same way I can say print head information also I've changed it. For example, right, if I change this one to for example, if I keep it blue, then you can see the colors, the background colors are changing. The same way the forward color also I can change it. If I keep it light, it changes that. And this is for the print head, and this is for the invoice header is for this. If you want to change some different color, you can do that. So that's about this, and we will quickly go over the next template. It's the same thing where you have the same features are here. Let me paste my previous ones. So I have selected invoice header. I have selected white background color, and the forward color is blue. You can see that the invoice header is changed, and as well as the print header also I can change it to different headers. That's all I have.